In the ever-evolving landscape where creativity meets functionality, architecture and design emerge as the dynamic disciplines that shape the physical and visual environments we inhabit. It is a collaborative dance that weaves together aesthetics, functionality, and cultural context to create structures and spaces that not only serve practical purposes but also evoke emotions, tell stories, and contribute to the visual tapestry of our built world. At its core, architecture and design involve the intentional and thoughtful creation of spaces, structures, and objects. Architects and designers, the visionaries of this dance, bring together a myriad of elements, form, materials, light, scale, and cultural influences to craft environments that resonate with human experience and fulfill diverse needs. Spatial planning is a foundational movement in the architecture and design symphony. Architects and designers carefully consider the layout and organization of spaces, whether designing a home, an office, or a public building. Thoughtful spatial planning optimizes functionality, circulation, and the overall user experience within a given environment. Aesthetics and form take center stage in the design choreography. Architects and designers imbue structures and spaces with a visual language that reflects their artistic vision and responds to the context in which they exist. From the graceful curves of a modern museum to the symmetrical lines of a historic cathedral, form becomes a powerful means of expression. Material selection becomes a tactile movement in the architecture and design narrative. Designers choose materials based on their properties, durability, sustainability, and aesthetic qualities. The interplay of materials, whether concrete, glass, wood, or steel, adds richness and texture to the design environment, contributing to both function and aesthetics. Cultural context and heritage are integral threads in the design tapestry. Architects and designers draw inspiration from local traditions, history, and cultural symbolism to create spaces that resonate with the identity of a place. Whether weaving contemporary structures into historic cityscapes or infusing cultural motifs into interior design, this cultural dance honors the spirit of a community. Sustainability is a forward-thinking movement in the architecture and design symphony. Designers embrace eco-friendly practices, incorporating energy-efficient technologies, sustainable materials, and green building strategies. The sustainable design dance not only addresses environmental concerns but also promotes healthier, more resilient built environments. Human-centric design places people at the heart of the creative process. Architects and designers consider the needs, behaviors, and experiences of the end users, ensuring that spaces are not only visually pleasing but also functional and conducive to well-being. This empathetic dance creates environments that enhance the quality of life for those who inhabit them. Technological integration is an innovative movement in contemporary architecture and design. Designers leverage cutting-edge technologies, including parametric design, virtual reality, and smart building systems, to push the boundaries of creativity and functionality. This technological dance opens new possibilities for form exploration, design visualization, and interactive user experiences. Urban design and planning extend the reach of architecture and design to the scale of cities and public spaces. Urban designers consider the layout of streets, parks, and buildings to create cohesive and livable urban environments. This macro-level dance contributes to the overall character and functionality of cities, fostering community engagement and connectivity. Adaptive reuse and repurposing are sustainable and transformative dances within the architecture and design narrative. Designers breathe new life into existing structures, turning old factories into contemporary lofts or repurposing historic buildings for modern uses. This adaptive dance celebrates the preservation of architectural heritage while embracing the evolving needs of society. In essence, architecture and design is a living expression of human ingenuity, a dance that navigates the interplay of form and function, tradition and innovation, culture and sustainability. It is a discipline that shapes the physical backdrop of our lives, influencing how we experience and interact with the spaces we inhabit. From iconic landmarks to everyday environments, architecture and design leave an indelible mark on the canvas of our built world.